how small this is. Look at these buttons. I have never seen Westinghouse with this before. There's even a pull station in here. All right, let's go to 4. Back down to 1. All right, here we are. There's a Jared. This door's kind of finicky. There it goes. You would never even notice the elevator. It's so tiny. That's cool. This one's just like the other car. A little bit smaller. Got the pull station in here. So let's go up to 4. Okay, no 4, up to 3. Look at that leveling. That is way off. All right, back down to 1. Very cool Westinghouse. Those are cool buttons too. First time I've seen them. Guess we get a bonus second ride. That was cool. So that's it.